Hi, my name is Carlos Ospino. I'm the Director of Operations at Paioli Solar. My main role is to oversee the execution of our projects, ensuring a seamless process from engineering to installation and performance optimization. This project was designed to maximize energy production, efficiency, and long-term reliability. These are the key factors in any successful commercial solar system. The flat roof installation features 1,028 kilowatt DC power with 1,904 high-efficiency Canadian panels, 7 solar edge inverters at the end with 952 optimizers. The racking system is panel cloth. It's ballasted with the engineered quantity and specific locations for the roof anchors. It has a very detailed monitoring system allowing the client to track its performance and savings in real time. This project was built to operate efficiently for at least 30 years, delivering maximum energy output with very minimal maintenance.